Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I will show an interesting DIY activity which can be performed using the waste available at your home. What I did last year, I took a cube carton box and wrapped it with newspaper and placed an old black colored cushion over it to make a stool or seating. I filled the box with lots of newspaper to make it heavy and durable. You can also keep other waste and heavy stuff to make it stiff so that it lasts longer. So friends, you might be thinking that it is just a cardboard box. How can we use it for seating? So I must tell you that I have been using it since last year, and so if you think the box you have is not hard enough to hold on a heavy weight, you can use it as an organizer or corner table. So now I got bored of this black and white table and thought of adding some colors to it. I got an idea which is actually an inspiration from pop art. On this monochrome background, I painted my favorite cartoon characters one by one on each side, and for that I used basic steps. I drew the figures using pencil and painted each section quickly. As you can observe here, you don't have to be a great artist or a pro painter, so just a freehand painting and all were done so quickly. After that, once each section was painted, I used a thin brush for neat outline which brought my paintings to life. So I painted Olive and Popeye from Popeye the Sailor, Uncle Scrooge from DuckTales, and Mario from Super Mario game. And I really loved it. My baby loved it. She smiled looking at them. It was a reward for all the work that has been done. So you can make any cartoon figures, anything colorful on this newspaper canvas or the box you are using as a corner table or decorative piece or an organizer for your home. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please provide your comments and let us know which one was your favorite. I have also shared one more craft idea for using waste carton box and old clothes to create an organizer. I use that for keeping my baby's toys. If you have not yet watched it, the link is provided. Stay tuned for another DIY from our side. Keep showering your love on us. Please like, share and comment if you love this idea. You can also create wall paintings by using and making newspaper canvases. Thank you so much for watching and keep crafting with AJ.